Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Son TV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video for y'all boys. As y'all can tell by the thumbnail, we doing a POV, you feel me, in the Hellcat with the big Draco, you feel me? We got the Draco around with us today, you feel me? So that means if any one of y'all niggas run up on me, you getting your ass faced, no belt. You feel me? I'm just playing. That boy got the little Toyota GR or whatever you call that bit. It called something like that. Y'all in the comments probably know what that bit is. But you feel me? We're doing a POV, you feel me, with the Draco, you feel me? You can't have a Hellcat if you don't got no Draco. It's only right. That's the best gun for a nigga with a Hellcat. I know y'all hear that whine. You feel me? We just cleaned the JLT intake out. You feel me? That bit had a lot of dust, leaves, all type of stuff in that bit. So you feel me? We got the intake cleaned out. That bit might sound a little louder. Shit, you feel me? I don't know. You feel me? Y'all gonna have to be the judge of that. You feel me? But before we get too far in the video, make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all boys subscribe so we hit 4,000 subs. We right around the corner from that bit. You feel me? Hit that post notification bell so we can, you feel me? Y'all know whenever I'm dropping bangers, you feel me? Y'all don't want to miss out. Also, let's go ahead and get us to 5,000 too so we can do the giveaway. You feel me? So we can do this money, cash money giveaway. Light just turned green. We ain't gonna go too crazy because we still got these ball tires on that bit. And you know that bit ain't hooking at all. Good thing is I ordered me some 315s, you feel me? And they actually came today. They actually came today, you feel me? So I'm probably gonna do like another video today where I'm vlogging. Basically, I'm gonna go get my oil changed, you feel me? Go get some gas, you know, go get the tires put on. You feel me? Go get some food, you know. I'm just gonna record, goddamn. Hopefully it turn out good and y'all like it, but you feel me? I will be doing that in the next video, so you feel me? Yeah, I don't got nothing else to say about that. Y'all see how Big Mama pulling though. She pulling, but she can't hook. And I'm trying to make sure there ain't 12 behind me. Okay, Big Mama. Go ahead and turn that bit up. I know y'all heard that. Oh God. The whole city heard that. You feel me? But it's so hot outside today, y'all, in the Ham in Birmingham, Alabama, boy. It's cooking out there, bit. No cap. We had to bend the corner a little bit, you know. Y'all know we the real corner benders. This thing sounds great, you feel me? Big Hellcat for the win. I can't go too fast though. Like I said, my tires is bald. Them bitches might blow up on my ass. Ooh, that bitch singing to me. Ooh. That's why I be so ready for the weekend, y'all. I be ready to get out work and hop at that cat. You feel me? I got stuff going in my eyes. That thing sounds good. I was finna try to do something crazy, but you feel me? I don't want 12 to be somewhere lurking, you feel me? And they try to, you know, take your boy down through there. I ain't show y'all, but we in sport mode with the traction off, you feel me? We only ride with the traction control off, you feel me? Bet. Light turned green, now it's time to bend it a bit. Make sure that car don't smack me. Goddamn. I can't cut up how I want to, y'all. Don't be in the comment talking about, man, you can't slide, you scared of it. Nigga, I ain't scared of nothing. I'm in a Hellcat with track control off, with a Draco with me, nigga. We ain't scared of Nathan. Only thing we scared of is chlamydia. But I don't even know what I'm talking about, twin. Did y'all see that, boy? We getting sideways at almost 70. It ain't wet outside. That's crazy. We're gonna get over the lane. I'm so ready to put these tires on, boy. Let me let the windows up for a second. It might be loud, you feel me? I don't know if that wind be annoying or do y'all be cool with it. I don't really know how it be sounding. But for the sake of this video, we just gonna let the windows up for a little second. Damn! This is so dangerous. I can't wait to put these 315s on here though. I never put 315s on here. I used to run 305s, but you feel me? I know the 315s is gonna rub that fender wheel on the back. I know it is. Just a little bit. It shouldn't be that too crazy. If it is rubbing like bad, I'm just gonna get a heat gun and remold it, you feel me? But it shouldn't be too big of a deal. It should go in there pretty good. We got Unk. I know it's Unk in this Corvette. Only Unks drive with brown tops. Oh, Unk finna hit me. Damn, Unk. You hit this supercharger behind you, Unk. And you gonna do that? Yeah, we gotta do a road race now. I'm finna burn his ass on everything. Uncle can't hear. He left his hearing aid at the house. Let me pull up on him. What you want to do, Unc? Nothing? Oh, weak. That nigga attention span ain't even good enough to be racing. That nigga gonna crash. Oh God, that nigga brain do not work like it used to. It look like he behind me. Let me see. Let me find out. Oh God, I get used to space so we can do this, twin. Come on. Come on. Let me see what he want to do. Oh, okay. They been pulling so hard to the right side, boy. We'll get out the freeway now, though, y'all. We gonna go ahead and crack these windows, cause I'm burning up in this bitch. On everything. I'm on fire. Now y'all can hear Big Mama singing this lullaby to y'all boy. You feel me? Y'all hear the pain in Big Mama voice. She whining. so good. Oh my God, I love that bitch. I ain't gonna cap, bro. This car was the best decision I made, boy. Hopefully y'all boys been enjoying the content though, you feel me? I've been trying to do my best, y'all, with the YouTube stuff, you feel me? We like 11 months in, you feel me? We finna be up on a year. That's crazy. I've been doing this shit for a year. And we came a long way, you feel me? We got monetized in 6 months. 6 months, you feel me? I never thought that was gonna happen. I thought it was gonna be like 2 years. But consistency is key though. If y'all wanna start up y'all the channel, go ahead, bro. And get whatever car y'all want, bro. Don't just get nothing because it's a trend, trust me. I always wanted this car. Spend y'all money on something that you really gonna like. I just scared the skin off that baby. I know I did. I'm sorry, God. I apologize. That was very ghetto of me. Let's see what way we're gonna go. We're gonna bust this hill up right. That look right. I do need to chill before I hear a loud pop. And then I'm gonna call a tow truck. Oh God, cause you can't, my tire don't ain't got no grooves no more. It's just flat. That's crazy. I smell some loud. Somebody smokes some strong stuff. Oh God. Y'all see that front end lift up? They be trying to pop a wheelie, no cap. I see it. That boy, they got the mid muff delete on that little, on the little hoopty. But I know that camera bouncing too. There's only so much I can do, y'all. I'm lowered. The bouncing not that bad, but as far as the camera being on your head, that bit most definitely bounce. And we gotta leave this light. Well, y'all, we did enough driving for this video. We gonna go ahead and, you feel me, wrap this video up, y'all. So If y'all don't mind, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how y'all been enjoying the comment. Let me know what type of videos y'all want to see. You feel me? Anything y'all want to ask me, ask me. If y'all need help starting up y'all channel, you feel me? Hit your boy up. You feel me? I can help. But make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, hit that post notification bell so y'all do not miss out whenever I drop more bangers. You feel me? And I'm going to check back in with y'all boys next time. Peace.